Sprue Brothers Dragon Weekend. Find out more right here on Gary Stuff. Hi there, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Now, this is just a very quick heads up video, primarily for you guys over in America, but also for others if you don't mind a bit of shipping as well. Sprue Brothers, you know who they are, massive distributor, having a special this weekend on Dragon. Everything made by Dragon is at 15% extra discount over the prices that are online. Now, these prices are applied when you put things in the basket. So the prices you see online are the pre-discount prices. Okay, so what you see online, take 15% off of that. That's what you're going to end up paying. Okay, they've got some amazing stuff there, incredibly fun things as well as your mainstream stuff. There's some really interesting things. For example, there's this 1/35th scale T-34 tank chassis with an 88mm gun put on top. Now, the list price on this is $93.50. Normally sells at $74.99 with the extra discount. That comes in at $63.74. That's 31% down on the list price. If you got a bit more rich tastes, you might like this 1/6 model of a quarter-ton 4x4 with the 50 cal gun mounted on it. This starts off at $275. Sprue Brothers normally sell it for $220. In this promotion, $186.99. Again, 32% off the list price. Something I remember pictures of when I was young, Atomic Annie, the gun that could fire a nuclear shell. $84.50 normally. Usually retails through Sprue Brothers at $68, but now $57.79. Once again, over 30% reduction. And you know, they don't just do land stuff, they do planes, they do ships. HMS Invincible here, 1/700th scale, starts off at $48, normally $38.49. With this discount, $32.71. That's another 31% off. Okay, so always be aware, in USA, you're probably going to have local sales taxes to add to that. You guys are used to seeing prices plus sales tax, I guess, because states vary in their taxes. We're used to, in the UK, seeing them, this is what you pay, because VAT is the same everywhere. However, check out your sales tax, because those numbers are before any sales taxes. Check out shipping. Again, that doesn't include shipping. If you're not in the USA, do please check with Sprue Brothers about what the price for shipping is going to be. Generally speaking, it's whatever the cost is plus $2. And do also be aware of things like currency translation rates and the possibility that you may be charged import duty. You need to find this stuff out before taking these numbers as gospel. But they just give you an indication. Generally speaking, everything on the Dragon line that they have there is 30% or more off of the actual list price. So go check it out. There's tons of stuff on it. It was like 4 pages of things I could see. Important thing, this sale ends at 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, 21st of May. So when I'm filming this on Saturday, that's tomorrow night. And that is Central Summertime. So that's 6 hours behind British summertime, 7 hours behind European summertime, maybe 8 hours if you're a bit further east. Do check out your time conversions locally as well, but it finishes at midnight, 1 minute to midnight, Central Summertime in the USA. Okay, well look, just as I say, a quick heads up. Just wanted you to know that this I get an email to tell me about it. I thought I'd share it with you if you don't. Okay. Have fun. Have a lovely weekend. Come back from Monday Matters on Monday, and I'll see you very, very soon. Take very good care now. Goodbye.